best bud. I want him to be happy.
We can do this. You and me. As one.
So I drown it out like I always do, dancing through